Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the pound rise 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Gold prices retreated from last session's 5-month peak as the US dollar and Treasury yields strengthened ahead of crucial economic data this week, with investors looking for any signs of a global fallout of the Middle East conflict. MasterCard and Visa have been stepping back from their card partnerships with Binance, which is facing growing scrutiny from US regulators. Visa stopped issuing new co-branded cards with Binance in Europe as of July. The past week has seen shares of Tesla slide hard in the wake of an earnings call and report that left investors more than disappointed. The company's stock fell 16% last week, hitting a low that Tesla hasn't been anywhere near since June.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's Claimant Count Change will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.